Welcome to Beautyistic, where we delve into the latest in beauty and skincare. Today, we're reviewing the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Pregnancy Skincare Kit, a comprehensive 4-piece set designed to address stretch marks and scars during and after pregnancy. This kit includes massage lotion, massage cream, tummy butter balm, and skin therapy oil. Each product is formulated with pure cocoa butter, shea butter, natural oils, vitamin E, collagen, elastin, and lutein to moisturize and improve skin elasticity. The massage lotion serves as an all-over body moisturizer, while the massage cream targets areas prone to stretch marks. The tummy butter balm offers intensive treatment, and the skin therapy oil helps improve the appearance of scars and stretch marks. Cite, turn search. Users have reported positive experiences with this kit. One reviewer mentioned feeling significant improvement after just 2 days of use, noting reduced inflammation and dryness of stretch marks. Cite Turn Search 1. Another user praised the natural ingredients for their soothing properties, especially during pregnancy when skin is stretching and can become irritated. In terms of performance, the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Pregnancy Skincare Kit effectively moisturizes and improves skin elasticity. The non-greasy formulas are easily absorbed, leaving the skin feeling soft and smooth. The pleasant scent adds to the overall experience. Pros of this kit include its use of natural ingredients, non-greasy texture, and effectiveness in improving skin elasticity. However, some users have noted that the tummy butter balm can be a bit thick, which may require a bit more effort to apply evenly. When compared to similar products on the market, Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula stands out due to its long-standing reputation and the inclusion of a comprehensive set of products targeting stretch marks and scars. While there are other options available, Palmer's offers a well-rounded approach with its 4-piece kit. Considering its quality and effectiveness, the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Pregnancy Skincare Kit offers good value for its price. The inclusion of multiple products in one kit provides a complete skincare regimen for expectant mothers. The build quality of the products is commendable. The packaging is sturdy, and the products have a pleasant consistency that makes application easy. Users have reported no issues with durability or design flaws. User-friendliness is a highlight of this kit. The products are easy to apply and absorb quickly, making them suitable for daily use. The pleasant scent and non-greasy feel enhance the overall user experience. Customer support for Palmer's is responsive and helpful. Users have reported positive interactions when seeking assistance or information about the products. In real-world testing, the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Pregnancy Skincare Kit has been effective in improving the appearance of stretch marks and scars. Users have noticed smoother and more elastic skin after consistent use. Since the initial review, there have been no significant updates to the product. The formulation remains consistent, continuing to provide effective results for users. In conclusion, the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Pregnancy Skincare Kit is a reliable choice for expectant mothers looking to improve the appearance of stretch marks and scars. Its use of natural ingredients, effectiveness, and user-friendly design make it a product worth considering. This kit is ideal for expectant mothers seeking a comprehensive skincare regimen to address stretch marks and scars. Its gentle formulation makes it suitable for daily use, and its effectiveness makes it a valuable addition to prenatal skincare routines. Users have reported positive experiences with the longevity of the product. Consistent use has led to noticeable improvements in skin elasticity and appearance, indicating the product's reliability over time. While the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Pregnancy Skincare Kit is effective, there are alternative products available that may also meet your needs. It's advisable to explore other options to find the best fit for your skincare regimen. If you're enjoying this review, liking, subscribing, and pressing the bell icon will allow us to bring you more great content and help others find this video too. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to get the product in the comments box. Feel free to ask questions about the product or share your experiences if you already own it.